No matter what I do or where I go, you keep your eyes on me at all times. Never take your eyes off of me. May I borrow your sword, please? Never give your sword away. Your shoes are untied. That just happened. Chest out, shoulders back, chin up. Show me your dueling face. That is disturbing. Let me hear your dueling growl. That was impressive. I said dueling growl, not dueling constipation. All right, let's try something simple. Show me your dueling salute. Show me your salute. What are you doing? I will teach you. Raise your swords high in the air for honor as this mob applauds wildly. Bring it to your lips and kiss it, for it doth protect you, not the sharp side. Swords across your heart for king and country. Your other heart. That was a test. Shout, God save the king!
God save the king!
You there, pirate, let's go. Join us. Get in, or hide behind the tree, that's fine. Never in my entire life as a sword fighter of the realm have I heard a response of God save the king with a return of woo. Now these children that you see before you are probably going to die. Especially that one. So, when they shout God save the king, all of you will shout, long live the queen. Do you understand? Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
I is the proper response. Do you understand?
Aye.
Let's rehearse. Swords cross your heart. Shout, God save the king.
God save the king!
Long live the queen!
Who said God save the queen? There was a few of you. I'll have you know, the queen is beautiful, whether she needs a shave or not. All right, now comes the bow. I am your mirror. Do as I do. Look, if we all do it, we won't look stupid. As we bow, everyone will cheer extremely loud for you. Shall I smite him?
Yes.
Shall I smite him?
Hey, ladies, kiss my boo-boo, huh? You will teach me nothing, huh? Step number one, strike a manly pose.
Step two, let us gingerly touch our tips. that? No, we just crossed our blades.
Cross the stream!
Let's just fight. Hear the mob cry, run him through. A hush falls over the mob. Hey, listen, I offer you my salute. High in the air.
Deal with you in my butt!
That came out easy target. Shall I give him back his sword? No! Iron A! Shall I give him back his sword? The mob goes wild!
One more time, this is a no talking, no giggling, no cheering, no chanting, dueling zone of death. Can't you see what I'm trying to do here? I'm trying to smite all these little ones whose two shoes are so full of goodness, huh? It will do them no good. Hey, hey now, what the?
Go on.
What is up? What is this?
Gentle.
What's going on?
Be gentle.
Whoa, I think that's enough.
Very gentle.
I did not sign up for this. Woo! Hey!
Be gentle. We're not killing you.
Wow!
Just
Hey!
place. Be gentle.
Woo!
Put your swords. Put your swords to his back.
Hey!
Put your swords to his back.
Whoa!
Higher. Get your sword out of his butt.
Is that wood?
Yeah, that's real wood in your butt. Say to him, back up, sir. Back into the center of the stage as the mob shows their affection for the quick thinking of their champion. Look, now first you have to get his attention. Not like that. Say, I will. Spare your life. This time.
Agree!
Good, put your backs against the stage. Stand together, shoulder to shoulder, in a straight line. Say to him, on your feet, sir. Swords cross your heart. Prepare to take your bow as this mob applauds uproariously. 3 cheers for your champions. Hip hip.